This is the ORICO power strip. This is for you to plug up to 6 plugs at the same time. Let me open it for you. This is great for you to make it easier, have always more plugs available with a product that you can rely on. It has the earth on that side. They all have this third part. Sometimes when you buy an extension cord and they only have these 2 sides, it's very inconvenient. It's not as safe. So this is really safe as well. You can use 1 to 6. This part here is flat, which is good. So that this is the good thing. For example, when you're gonna plug the put this in the wall, sometimes what happens is that you put it at the top or the button, and it blocks the other part that you're trying to use, the other outlet. This one, as you guys can see, is tilted. Check this out. So you're gonna put it like this in the wall, you see? So it's tilted to the side 45 degrees. So the good thing about this is that it's not gonna block whatever is below. So it's gonna go to the side. This is such a smart hack. It's such a detail, but it's a really good idea, right? It's flat and it has this 45-degree angle to it, which is super useful. Comes with one. Let me plug it in here for you guys. Button for you to change here what it's on and off. This is the ORICO power strip. They're grounded, has flat plug, 6 AC multiple outlets.